Do you want to know?
That's a good warning.
Hey,
what's that? What we're going to do now is 1, 2. So on the ice.
He put it in the fridge.
Yeah, he put his Mac in the fridge. He wanted to prove a point.
Okay, you know what, guys? This is completely unsponsored. We're going to be telling... I don't know what that guy... Maybe he's sponsoring fridges.
We went to the Apple store yesterday and we tested out the new 13-inch, the new 15-inch, the base models of it, and an iMac Pro. Got it, bro. We got it. And the new 13-inch is 50% faster than my current 13-inch. And that's pretty good. That's a really good gain. However, the new 15-inch, the basic one, 3 times faster.
What?
So, this is an i9. In this video, we're going to do the test right now. So let's just plug this in. And let's just do it, isn't it?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Alright, so I've got the video project on this drive. I'm just going to plug it in to the Mac. And it should fire up soon. Generated library files. Going to delete everything. So the first test I want to see is this one. How well it plays back this far. Do you know, remember on the iMac Pro, it played back really badly. So first up, let's play. So it played back really fast. Probably the fastest so far out of all the laptops, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What we're going to do now is we're going to see how long it takes to render out the frame. 1, 2, 3. So on the i7 it took 19 seconds. And on the iMac Pro it took 16 point something seconds. This guy, it is going to take... Whoa, faster than the base i7.
That's awesome.
That's what, you know, it's not that much faster. It's like 10-20%. But let's see this test. That's what I want. And this is unprocessed. Let me just mute the audio. Alright, that's what scrubbing is. Oh, let's do this test. Do you know moving up and down?
Mm-hmm.
Right, so it's pretty much like the other Macs. Better quality. Feature. Start this up as well. Alright, so there's some tests, just quick ones now. So it's pretty much the same speed as the iMac Pro, the 8-core base one, for rendering out. It was 16 point something seconds, which is very same as the iMac Pro. 3 seconds faster than the base i7 15-inch. For exporting, it's very close. So, you know, this machine it's only about 10% faster at best for this application. The main interesting note I can share with you at the moment is that the fans were super quiet. I can't hear them going at the moment. I'm going to show you just quickly before I finish how noisy my 13-inch gets when I'm exporting anything. So when I'm exporting a video, the fans fire up to their maximum. It gets really hot and noisy. This one, it's been whisper quiet so far. I'm going to have to do some more tests to figure out what's going on. Alright, I've now copied over the project into the SSD of the Mac, and let's see if it does it any faster. To be honest, it feels about the same. There's a bit of chugginess at this point. So I'm going to go into this. Now, last year I exported this project on a MacBook Pro 2017, and it took about a minute. Let's see how fast it does it on this computer. I'm going to do best quality, because that's what I always do. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, as you can see, around 38 seconds, and last year's one took over a minute. So far, it's not slow, and I haven't put it in the fridge. It's running fast. So I kind of like got excited about getting the money back. But now I'm thinking maybe it's a good machine. If it renders as fast as the iMac Pro in this form factor, that's amazing, right? Alright, yeah, alright. Alright, guys. I'm actually so confused right now. I'm actually surprised that it runs fast. I'm so confused right now.
I'm happy.
I'm confused.
You buy something which is supposed to be the best thing on the market and you expect it to be the best thing.
Yeah, but then everyone says it's slow.
Because they're sponsored. They're just not talking the truth to you.
No, there's something. It probably runs slow on certain situations. Because I know Premiere Pro is just a slow application. Premiere Pro is designed by the people who made Adobe Flash. That's the word. You ever use
updates
Adobe Reader, all of that kind of stuff, spyware.com. So I don't know what's going on. I'm very confused right now. Very, very, very confused. But confused right now.
No, babe, I'm not confused. I'm happy. You're buying the best thing, so it should be the best. And the people on the internet, I told you before, you have to test it out for yourself for you to make that judgment. Don't let somebody else make a judgment for you because you don't know what their incentives are. It's my good deed of the day.